How to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. Selling items on Facebook Marketplace and want to mark them as pending while you finalize a sale? Marking an item as pending lets potential buyers know it's temporarily unavailable. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. You'll land to the menu page. Now navigate to the option of Marketplace. Head towards the option of Sell given at the top left corner. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Click on the section of your listings. This section shows all the items you have listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Find the item you want to mark as pending. At the right corner of the item, you will find three dots. Click on it. Head over to the option of Mark as Pending. Click on it. With this, I have just set this item to mark as pending. By following the same steps, you can easily set other items as well to mark as pending. If the sale doesn't go through or want to make the item available again, click on three dots and select the option of Mark as Available. This will remove the pending status and put your item back on the market. And that's it. You have successfully marked your item as pending on Facebook Marketplace. This simple steps helps you manage your listing and keep buyers informed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.